In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and fade music in CapCut PC. If your background music runs longer than your video, trimming it and adding a smooth fade out keeps your edit clean and professional. We'll keep things simple and precise, so your audio ends right where your footage does, without any abrupt cut that pulls viewers out of the moment. Start by looking at your timeline and scrubbing all the way to the end of your video. Place the vertical playhead line exactly where your video footage ends. This playhead position is the reference CapCut uses when you cut, so getting it right ensures your music and your visuals finish together. Take a second to confirm it's sitting at the final frame of your video. CapCut often snaps to cut points, which helps you land right at the edge without guesswork. Now focus on your music track. Click directly on the music track bar in the timeline so it's highlighted. With the playhead still at the very end of your video, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. This tells CapCut to split the audio right at the playhead, creating a clean divide between the part of the song you want to keep and the extra that spills past your video's ending. You'll see a new cut appear on the music track. Click the leftover piece to the right and delete it. This clears out the excess, leaving only the portion that aligns perfectly with your video. To avoid an abrupt stop, let's add a gentle fade out. With your remaining music clip still selected, look to the Properties panel in the top right corner and switch to the Audio tab. Find the Fade Out slider and drag it to around 2 seconds. That duration is a sweet spot for most edits. It's long enough to sound smooth and intentional, but short enough to keep the pace of your video. As the slider moves, CapCut applies a volume curve that gradually lowers the music until it disappears, so the sound softly tapers off right as the screen goes dark or your last frame holds. And that's it. You've aligned your music to the exact end of your video, removed the extra audio, and added a polished fade out that sounds seamless. These small touches make a big difference in how professional your edit feels. Perfect radio smooth endings in just a couple of clicks. You're all set. Done.